Okay, we're inside the Pho Hoa. Is that what it's called? Pho Hoa? Pho Hoa Vietnamese restaurant in the Mall of Asia. I ordered some pho noodles. She ordered, I don't even know what it is she ordered.
Chicken with mushrooms.
Chicken with mushrooms. And we got some fresh seaweed. Not seaweed, rice paper rolls. Fresh rice paper rolls. So that should be coming up soon. So let's take a look at that once it gets here. Okay, let's take a look here. I got the Vietnamese pho noodles with brisket. We got the fresh. What do we call it?
Fresh Vietnamese chicken rolls.
Fresh Vietnamese
chicken rolls.
Yeah, I thought they were shrimp.
This chicken.
Okay. Well, anyways, it looks good. And then we got
this is my chicken with mushrooms.
Chicken with mushroom and rice.
Rice and then young corn. They all mix up together.
Yeah, looks pretty good. So, yep, this is once again Pho Hoa. Pho Hoa? Pho Hoa. Oh, I'm sorry, Pho Hoa. Vietnamese restaurant at Mall of Asia. And can't forget those 2 iced teas right there. Those things are fabulous. Really, really good. So, anyways, that's about it, guys. Good eats right here. So we're going to go ahead and turn 2. All right, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.